What is going on, Shib Army? This your boy Random Arts coming with a quick video. So this video is going to be about technical analysis on Bitcoin and how it relates to Shiba Inu. So as you can see here, I actually have a line chart. So line chart, a lot of people don't know this, but line chart actually help you be able to find the true support resistance. Once you have your lines drawn in, then you could actually convert it over to the candlestick just to be able to get precise and better entries. So as you can see here, we have a support area on Bitcoin right around the 30. I'll say 30 because it's next to a whole number. So the 30 line would be right around here. And Bitcoin definitely needs to hold the line. It needs to hold 30,000. Because if it falls below 30,000 and can't reclaim 30,000, because it's okay if it falls, below it, but as long as it's not trying to test the 30 and bouncing off, testing and bouncing off. Because anytime that it falls below and it's trying to test it to go back up and it can't do that, then that is a very, very bearish sign. Because the next area of support for Bitcoin would be right around the 20K mark. So the area that it broke out previously. So hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully we get some positive catalyst on Bitcoin because currently right now the crypto market it is very bearish. So anything that you're buying, I mean you are buying it at a discount, but just because it's on a discount, don't mean it still can't go on even more of a discount. So definitely be cautious of that. Try to not go all in on your dip buys. Um, yeah, so I just really just caution you for that. So and also this is another thing that I wanted to show you too. Like look how this look on just on the intraday level. Let me switch it over to intraday. So you have Bitcoin here. Now this is actually some positive stuff right here because if it could reclaim this area on the 1 hour, it get above it and it just holds it. And the next time it dips down and it makes a higher low. So what a higher low is whenever the next low that this makes, like the next dip that it makes, is higher than this low right here. So if it does that, it get higher, then it dip down and makes another higher low right around this area, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Um, I'll show you what I mean. So if it does something like this in this action, it dips, it goes higher than this area right here, then it makes another dip. So notice how this low that it just made, this low right here, is higher than this low. If it does something like that, then yes, I would be able to just go ahead and get in onto buy more sheep. And I'll show you how sheep is because sheep is definitely at a good place right now. So if you're trying to anticipate a buy, you can certainly do based upon anticipation, but or if you want to wait for more for confirmation, you can. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna buy a small amount of SHIB. And also, don't get fooled, guys. Uniswap is not cheaper than Shiba Swap as far as to be able to buy SHIB. They'll show you a number. Let me show you here. They'll show you a number. They said, so if I try to swap $972 worth of SHIB, it said the estimated amount that I'm going to receive would be 142, so 142,495. And if I try to swap it here, it says 142 142,300,000. Notice the difference. And it's the same exact thing. Look, 0.050, 0.50. So 0.50 for this, 0.50, 0.50. So you would actually get more shib over here versus trying to do it on Uniswap. And not to mention too, like their gas fees typically is a little higher. So gas fee here is 1383. Reject that. With Shiba Swap, gas fee is 1258. So yeah, guys. So be careful. So I'm gonna buy. Let me do. I just want to at least get 100 because it's definitely on discount. So since it's on discount, I definitely want to get in where I fit in. So once I get this amount, I'm gonna go ahead and just stake it. Just want to make sure that I still receive the minimum amount. I just want to make sure that I at least get 100. I'll just change this just in case. So I'm showing you guys I'm getting this live. So this is not 100. There we go. Is it 100? Yep. All right. All right. So I just put in the order. So we're just gonna wait. So hopefully it don't take too long. So this is how much I believe in Shiba Inu. Normally, per my process, I normally like to wait for confirmation, but in this case, for you guys, I wanted to go ahead and get in. So while we wait, we could just take a look at my berry. So right now it's 533 million that I have buried of Shiba, 2.77 bone. I'm sorry, 3 bone and 2.77 leash. So right now I'm currently wolfing. I have 61 bones that I still haven't collected yet. Mind you, with a small amount. I already made back the amount that I wolf. I think I did about 44 bones, and now I already received 61, which is not bad at all. All right, let's see what's taking so long. What's the estimated time? Between a minute and 3 minutes. Okay. So definitely, if you're gonna buy Shiba, buy it on the platform. That way you can support the community, and not only that, you're getting it cheaper. Getting more Shiba by getting it on Shiba Swap. Man, this is taking forever, guys. All right, let's see if I can speed up the process. Pay a little extra. Speed up. All right, so this should be a little faster. It might be that Ethereum's network is starting to get congested due to the fact that Bitcoin is having this little bounce. All right, there it goes. There it goes. All right, so with that, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and bury it. I actually got all of it. See, I got all of the coins that I requested. So yeah, so definitely use Shiba Swap to be able to, to get your coins. All right, so now I just buried it. Now my total balance is at 643 million. I'm gonna buy some more if it dips some more. Um, Definitely this is gonna be big in the future. Don't look for overnight success. Wait till the market. Once you start seeing the market recover, like the people who are getting in on dips and dollar cost averaging down, we're gonna be the one that's gonna be rewarded. So this is Random Arch signing off. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.